Hello, families. Today we will be doing Lesson 21, Session 2. We will continue our understanding of tens and ones and finding the different ways that you can make a number. All right, so we're going to get started. Now, if you don't have tens and one blocks at home and you think that it might be best for your child to have like manipulatives, I would suggest you pause this and maybe just cut up some paper into like longer strips to look like a 10 block and like smaller squares to look like ones if you think that might be best for them to have actual manipulatives if you don't have like cubes or the 10 blocks at home. So if you want to pause this and then start it after you have some manipulatives, that might be helpful. All right, we're going to get started. How can you show a number as tens and ones? One way is to use the place value of each digit. 36 is 3 tens, 6 ones. So when you look at the number 36, you can see that 3 is in the tens place, 6 is in the ones place. Therefore, in the number 36, you have 3 tens, 6 ones, which shows 36 is the same as 30 because 3 tens, 10, 20, 30 plus 6, 6 ones equals 36. Another way is 36 is 36 ones. So you could just have 36 individual pieces. This would be a lot longer to count than using your 10 blocks and counting by tens first. So that's what we're going to be working on today, is finding other ways to show the same number. So as we go down to the bottom, and it says to use blocks to find other ways to show 36. This is where it might be helpful if you have paper for your child to be using. So it says 36 is blank tens, blank ones. Well, they already did 3 tens, 6 ones up here, so we can't do the same thing down here. They want us to do something different. They already did 36 is 36 ones, which would be 0 tens. So we're not going to do that way either. They want us to do it differently. If you look down at the bottom here, it says 36 is 20 plus blank. So we know in the number 20, we're going to have to draw 2 tens. Or you might be using your blocks and putting 2 10 blocks right there. So 36 is 20 plus. So I'm going to draw 2 tens for my 20. And then I'm going to have to count on how many ones that would be. So 10, 20, and I have to count on until I get to 36, but using ones. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So now when I go to write this up here, I can see that 36 is, I have 2 tens, and then I need to count how many ones I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 36 is 2 tens, 16 ones. If I go back and count all of this, I'm going to get to 36. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So 36 is 20 because you have 2 tens here, so 10, 20, plus how many ones do I have? And I know my answer right here. I have 16 ones. So 36 is 20 plus 16. So 20 plus 16 is 36. Just like 30 plus 6 is also 36. Now, as we go over here, we have to show it a different way. So we can't use one of the ways that they've already showed on the paper. We need to do it differently. 36 is blank 10 blank ones. 36 is 10 plus blank. Right here, it gives me a clue to how many tens I'm going to be using. I'm only going to have one 10 and the rest are going to be ones. So first, I'm going to draw my 10, and then I'm going to count on with ones until I get to 36. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, I'm out of room. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Then I need to go back and count how many ones I have because I have 10 plus how many ones. So 36 is 110 and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So 36 is 110, 26 ones. If I go back and count all of this, my 110 and 26 ones, I'm going to get to 36. So 36 is 10 because I have 110 plus 26 ones. So 10 plus 26 is the same as 36. So that's what we're going to be doing on the next few pages, showing different ways to get to the same number using our tens and ones. All right, so you can flip your page over. So number 1 says, write 2 ways to show 43. 43 is 4 tens blank ones. They have already drawn the picture for you. You have 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why it says 4 tens. Blank ones. Go and count your ones. 1, 2, 3. So 43 is 4 tens, 3 ones. Down here it says 43 is blank plus 3. Here you're going to have to count your tens by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. 43 is 40 plus 3. Over here we're going to show it a different way. 43 is 3 tens, you can see right here, 1, 2, 3. And how many ones? You're going to have to count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 43 is 3 tens, 13 ones. 43 is, you have to count your tens here by tens. 10, 20, 30. 43 is 30 plus 13. It's plus 13 because there's 13 ones. So 30 plus 13 is the same as 43. So now you have shown 2 ways to show 43. Number 2, write 2 more ways to show 43. So we're not going to be doing the same as up here. They want us to show it differently. So 43 is how many tens? 23 ones. So they're telling you right there that there's 23 ones. You don't have to go and count those. But how many tens do we have? Remember, you need to be careful when they're asking how many tens and how many. How many tens means you go like this. 1, 2, like 2 groups of 10. So 43 is 2 tens and 23 ones. So 43 is 20 because 2 tens is 20 plus how many ones goes down here, which we know is 23. So 43 is 20 plus 23. Now there's another way to show 43. As you can notice, they keep taking away 1 10 each time we're going to another group. And what they're doing is taking away that 10 and breaking it apart into ones, which makes it a lot harder to count because there's a lot more ones to count. 43 is blank 10, 33 ones. So looking here, how many tens do you have? Not all together, don't count these as groups of 10. They just want you to look at how many are in a group of 10. So you can see that we just have 1 10. So 43 is 1 10, 33 ones. So 43 is 10 because 1 10 is the same as 10 plus how many ones? We don't need to go and count all of these right here because we know right here that it says 33 ones. So 43 is 10 plus 33. Now, number 3 says, write 43 as ones. Are you going to have to go and draw all of that? No. We know that if we were to draw 43 as ones, that 43 equals 43 ones. Because if you drew 43 ones and then counted it, you would get to 43. So 43 equals 43 ones. And that finishes our lesson. I'm going to quickly go through how you should be doing the green page